If you are looking for special collections and archival material, Archives at Yale is a great resource. It includes collections available from Yale Library, the Peabody Museum, and the Yale Center for British Art. Material ranges from handwritten or manuscript documents, correspondence, maps, photographs, Yale University records, and more. In this video, we will demonstrate how to navigate Archives at Yale, as well as how to request material for in-person viewing. Start on the library website at library.yale.edu. From the Find, Request, and Use menu, in the Find section, select Archives at Yale, which will take you to the main URL for Archives at Yale, archives.yale.edu. Let's say you're doing research on the musician J. Rosamond Johnson. To get the widest range of results, leave the search settings as they are. To understand your search results, it is important to know that archival materials are arranged into collections based on creator or topic. Search results will also be sorted first by collection and then by parts of a collection or folders. For example, the music library holds the main collection of Johnson's papers, which is the first result. The subsequent results include a person record and then parts of collections, such as songs written by J. Rosamond Johnson. To refine your search results, use the filters on the left. Filters include the library or archive that holds material, the type of result, subjects, language, and item locations, as many collections are stored off-site. Filters are a great way to discover the most relevant material to your interests. If you are familiar with the scope of your topic, you might want to conduct a more advanced search. To do this, you have a few options. First, you can limit your results to collections by using the drop-down menu option, Limit to Collections. You can also use drop-down menus to identify your search as a keyword, title, creator, subject, or call number. To narrow or broaden your results, you also have the option to combine multiple search terms using the plus button at the end of the search fields. The AND operator combines multiple terms, the OR operator broadens your search, and the NOT operator narrows your search by excluding terms. Each additional search term can be identified in the same manner as your first term. When you have selected a record to view, the page will be divided into two parts. On the left side, you will find the title of the record and descriptive information, such as a summary note, access information, subjects, and people mentioned. On the right side, you will see a hierarchical outline of the collection. Almost all collections in Archives at Yale are organized hierarchically, so you'll need to familiarize yourself with the collection's organization to see what is in it. Select an entry on the tree to read about that part of the collection and to expand any additional contents. If an item can be requested for viewing in person, the Request button will be active. If an item cannot be requested, the Request button will be gray or not present. After selecting Request, you will need to log in to ensure your request is being made for the right item, choose a date to visit a reading room, and submit your request. If you want more information about using Archives at Yale, talk with a librarian or archivist. You can find a list of frequently asked questions at archives.yale.edu/help.